Another unique point to the pivot is its versatility. At Square Scrub, we pride ourselves on versatility squared, the ability to clean, maintain, or restore virtually any floor in any building. With the pivot, you can clean and maintain floors such as tile and grout, VCT, luxury vinyl tile, sanding and maintenance of wood floors, concrete and stone polishing, and even carpet, as the pivot is approved by the Carpet and Rug Institute as a deep cleaning system for carpet. Now, depending on the surface you're on, some of the things you want to modify on your pivot, you can take the weights on or off depending on what floor you're on. For example, you might want the weights on for tile and grout, but off for carpet. When it comes to versatility squared, the fact that your pivot can be used in wet or dry applications is important to remember. This is all part of how we design the pivot. That bearing and eccentric that's warranted for 5 years, that keeps moisture out of the bearing, allows you to use the pivot with confidence in any application.